Hello, this is Tom from Tom's Coffee Corner, and I'm here at the Expo in Brussels, and I got with me David from Milbok.
That's right. Hello guys, how are you doing?
So the reason I wanted to do this interview is because, well, being from Wisconsin, I love milk, and they have a really interesting milk. There's a special kind of process, and you can make special kind of drinks with it. So maybe you can tell us about the drink and the process.
Hello guys, so here in Brussels we are making dirty coffee. We are from a company called B-Food. We're producing product called Milbok. It's very popular in Asia, where you can get this dirty coffee concept everywhere. So if you travel, please go and try in the specialty coffee shops. So dirty coffee is generally hot espresso sitting on cold Milbok. When you drink it, you can try the espresso, and then you have got the cold milk coming underneath, and it actually creates very interesting sensation. So please go and try.
And let me just ask you, we're going to do a demo then. You can show us how to make it. But just tell me real quick about the special process. How do you get your milk so good? And what you told me about the colonies in the milk yesterday.
All right. Okay. So obviously you need to source very high quality milk. Because normally milk that is produced for supermarkets, they don't need to put the focus on the quality of protein because it doesn't go to barista for the frothing, right? So what we do, we source really high quality milk with very low count of colonies in it, and then we run it through a special process of filtration system where we can remove the water and partially also the minerals from the milk. So we're creating milk that has 5.5 protein content of protein and 5.0 content of fat, and this kind of ratio that is the other way around than normal milk, because normal milk is always higher on fat content. So actually a lot of specialty cafes using Milbok for their premium coffee beans, where they want to really showcase the flavors of their coffee.
Okay, thank you very much. And tell me, you call it double milk. So double milk means?
So double milk is generally, so imagine you have 2 liters of milk, and if you condense it or remove a water and you create 1 liter of milk, we call it double milk. Because it generally has a double content of protein, double content of fat.
Okay, thanks very much. I think now we got to see it in action. Show me that double milk as a dirty coffee.
Let's do it. So what matters?
Yeah, first show me the box, please.
Sure. So here we go, Milbok double milk. Yeah, 5.5 protein, 5.0 fat. It needs to be cooled down to around 4 degrees Celsius. In Asia, they go even crazier. They even put their glass into a freezer to cool it down to -18. So when you have your cold glass, you pour cold milk inside to about 3/4. Sorry if I'm a little bit fiddly around here, but I'll try my best. So you have 2 cups of nice cold milk. Then what you do, you get your nice, today we have a Tanat from France, from Paris, really nice roast. I'll add extra. So for dirty coffee, you need to generally hold up the cups by the spout so you don't mix it up. You never put any ice inside, and what you do is create this beautiful star that, yes, you generally create the espresso laying on the coffee. It's more of a ristretto. So here we go. You have a look. You have this beautiful contrast happening. Once it's in a glass cup, frosted glass cup, it looks really beautiful. You can put it on Instagram. Different types of coffee, obviously it creates different types of flavors, because you can try the espresso first and then you can flush it down with a nice cold sweet milk. Yeah, and it looks beautiful.
Should we try it?
Yeah, absolutely. Go for it.
You too, or do you have too many?
I had a lot, but let's go for it. You know, if you look at it, guys, you know, you can see this the coffee really creating beautiful layers. You know, looks fantastic. So let's have a try.
dirty coffee. Whoop. Very nice.
Your right lip is warm and your tongue is cold. So that's the sensation.
That's very tasty. Yeah. A warm and cold sensation. A very nice rich espresso, and also the milk is super rich.
Exactly, and that's why it became the most popular drink in Asia. It's really, people enjoy it. It's also for your hot days. You don't want hot coffee, but you can have still dirty coffee, which is nice and cool, and you can try this beautiful hot espresso on the top.
Okay, thank you very much. I appreciate you taking the time introducing your products, and just tell me, where's your company from?
So we generally are based in Czech Republic, in the middle of Europe. Milk is sourced from the mountains nearby the German border, high quality milk, and we are supplying the whole Europe and the whole Asia and Southeast Asia. If you guys are from Americas, give us some time, but I'm pretty sure we make it there and you can try to.
You have to come to Wisconsin. That's where all the cows are at.
I would love that. I'm pretty sure you have a high quality milk there too, so it would be nice to explore.
Okay, thanks very much, David.
Pleasure. Pleasure.